Sabse Bada Beiman is an action Hindi film made in 2000 revenge drama, with Mithun and Manik Bedi in the lead role. Plot: Mithun Chakraborty drives an auto to take care of his younger brother Manish's education and turns into a masked looter in the night. Manik Bedi is an honest cop in the day but corrupt by night who arranged marriage of his sister Amita Nangjaroff. How both Mithun and Manik turn from Sabse Bada Beiman to Sabse Bada Beiman is the climax. Cast: Mithun Chakraborty, Asha Saini, Manik Bedi, Sadhika Randhawa, Gajendra Chauhan, Mohan Joshi, Mushtaq Khan, Arjun, Harish Patel, Kiran Kumar, Lakshmi Karburda. http://ibosnetwork.com/asp/filmbodetails.asp id = Sabse plus Bada plus Beiman. Sabse Bada Beiman on IMDb.